Hello friends, today we are going to show how to make homemade ice cream. We need this thing and half liter milk. So we are going to pour it. Keep it on medium high flame and keep it shaking. Reduce it to 3/4. Now we are going to take some cashew nut, pista and some elaichi. We are going to put some cornflour, 1 spoon cornflour, we are going to take some rose water, 1 cup. Then blend it. Put some milk too. Now after blending, we are just going to pour this inside the milk which is boiling. Move it continuously or else lumps will come. Reduce it to 3/4. Pour 10 spoons of sugar. Now it has reduced to 3/4. Now we can off the flame and keep it wet. And keep it in room temperature. Cool it like this. Otherwise cream will come on the top. Now this is cooled down. Now we are going to just pour it inside this cup. It's a small size cup. Okay, now it's done. Now I'm going to take this foil paper and just cover it like this. And just making a hole in. Take it. 24 hours. After 12 hours, it's all ready. I'm going to take it off.